Hello everyone, this is Hemam from Shinhua News Agency. We're reporting from Aleppo. This is the daily vlog. We are now going to take you in a tour in the city of Aleppo, which was hit by an earthquake earlier this week. We will show you some street footage and how is the daily life now going. So let's go. As we can see here on our right, there are some people sitting on a sidewalk. Some of these people are displaced. They have fled their homes after the earthquake. As we're inching closer to this public park, we can see the people. We can see that many of them are here in the public parks. Not all of them were lucky enough to go to a shelter, as many of the houses and homes and residential buildings have been affected by the earthquake. We can see some people in their cars also. Maybe some of them fled the homes and they just took the car and went to the streets. So as we're inching closer, as we're driving by, we can see more and more people sitting here and on sidewalks.